a lot of organizations are, they kind of take status quo as status quo. But I think what we talk a lot about on these podcasts is actually a lot of change. Like, how can you inspire others? How can you invoke change that's needed within an organization? A lot of that starts by developing the people that exist at the organization today and developing, especially leaders. So maybe the question here, Joe, is like, what do you think more organizations should be doing to cultivate more leadership, more reliability leaders within a company?
Really, it's getting exposure, being transparent on what that reliability journey is for your team. I lead a group right now. We're about 55. We're going to grow to about 70 here in the next year. And what we've done the last couple of years is we have a strategy team, and we meet monthly and have a workshop annually where we kind of talk about where are we going to go in the next year from our reliability journey. What elements are we going to focus on? For 2021, we're going to pick 3. But we let the whole organization know, the whole department know what are those elements we're going to focus on. We have the strategy team kind of lead the improvement activities, but we include the entire department based on their willingness to learn or to, like I said, where is their strength and where can they help us in driving that improvement. A lot of organizations need to do too is get them exposure to more of the higher level reliability strategies and tactics. In our organization, we don't have titled reliability engineers. We have that as a part of different people's job descriptions, right? Whether it's the manufacturing engineers, the leadership team. Prior to us laying out a roadmap like we've done, it was kind of a crapshoot, right? Everybody was pulling at something else that they read, but we actually put together a roadmap and say, this is the direction we're going. We're going to pull in the information and we're going to teach everybody and use the same nomenclature so that everybody's learning along the way. They might not understand all the concepts within it, but as we're learning more and the strategy team learns more, we share that with the whole group. And then as people gain interest in what we're doing, there's volunteer opportunities for them to join us and get together with those cohorts and drive those improvements.
Yeah, I mean, that sounds like a great opportunity. And it's really interesting, too, that it sounds like there's no single person, single department that's responsible for reliability. It's literally everyone's job. It's baked into the job description. And I think that there's actually a really interesting opportunity there for org design, making sure that everyone has a little piece of reliability in their responsibilities.
If you think about it, everybody has a little bit of a responsibility when it comes to safety. Everybody has a little bit of responsibility when it comes to product quality, no matter what your role is within the organization. And this is something I think organizations can improve on. Everybody needs to have a little bit of role within reliability and how they treat the equipment, right? Because a good part of that is, there's a whole concept of operator-driven reliability, and it usually falls into that traditional TPM, autonomous maintenance. The most simple task that an operator can do to ensure a good operation of the equipment is keep it clean.